In the overwhelming world of technology options, Ford Business Machines helps to unlock your business's potential. From our managed services to our state-of-the-art business machines, we provide the ability to align your goals with your processes to ensure a successful tomorrow. Our 3 decades of pushing the industry boundaries have led to the solidification of Ford Business Machines as the area's industry leader. We think beyond the horizon, always striving to deliver the best-in-class solutions that provide our clients with the ability to stay ahead of their competition. Technology is moving at the speed of thought. Ford's one and only job is to stay ahead of the evolution, to help our clients maximize their resources, eliminate waste, secure their data, and ultimately increase profits. Our goal is simple: to help bridge our clients to the future. That requires diligence, hard work, and a team united in a mission to provide unparalleled experiences. Our clients trust in us. They believe that Ford Business Machines has their back, allowing their business to move forward. We provide them the service and support that they deserve, and they provide us their loyalty, which we hold in the highest regard and will continue to earn. Ford Business Machines will continue to grow and solidify our position in the market. There's no looking back. We hope you'll join us in this journey.